All right, so I've preliminarily kind of routed where this is going to go. This is where everything will connect to. Run up under here. I'm going to attach this somewhere along the firewall here. Battery power and fuse over here. Just leave that like so. And this wiring ran into the cab under the dash to the ignition power source. Or rather, this here is going to go to the high beam power source. This way when they are turned on, it'll turn the fog lights off. Alright, now that the battery's disconnected and removed, set it down right here. What we're going to do is I'm going to cut a hole through this grommet that you can see here. This is for the main harness. I might just slit it right here, provide access right beside the harness. And it's not going to draw much amperage, so don't have to worry about it creating electromagnetic noise. Alright, I think start routing it down through here. Get this out of the way. Set that right down here. Alright, go behind the headlight and the subframe. Alright, so what I'm going to do is, originally I wanted to try to go through here, but unfortunately it's really difficult to try and fish through here without taking the bumper and such off. So I'm going to go between the radiator, the condenser, and the body, and we're going to fish down under the bumper. Alright, so right here in front of the bumper, and you can see where the cables are coming through. Alright. And now we're going to take these cables, come back around and connect them to our two harnesses here for the lights. And we'll zip tie and tuck it, pull any excess back out and tuck it away. Let's go ahead and get the short one here. I'm actually going to put them through the license plate holes. This way it'll keep the harnesses up and out of the way. And these are plug and play, so they just kind of go in one way. There we go. Look at that, nice fit. Perfect factory fit. I'm going to stick those back through like so. There we go. Get it in there a little deeper. There we go. Nice. Let's fish that right through. There we go. You can kind of see right here. So we'll zip tie this harness against the horn harness, keep that tight against there. Yep. Then we're going to tuck it up under a rail, up under inside the firewall. Actually, do we want to go against firewall? You know, we might just run it along the harness here, go in through factory ways, and then back through here. Because if I go through the firewall, well, the rails, I could tuck it into here under the fender. Could go in through the fender grommet back through here, but maybe another time. We're going to just go through the firewall. the engine harness grommet. I forgot about this little grommet here. So we're gonna take that out. I'm gonna cut a hole in it. I'm gonna run our harness through there. Good boy. This way I don't have to cut the main engine harness grommet. I can go right through this. Okay, so I got the negative lead here, and so this is the left and right power fuse, and it coordinates with this plug-in right up here. So if we put the lights in the on position, we should get battery voltage. .26 volt. Wow, we're a little low on voltage. So, but also you get it right here. So here, which we are getting 11.27 volts. Now we should also get same voltage right here, 11.2628. All right, now if we turn, I'm gonna stick this right up in there like so. Actually, so now if we turn the lights off, we should have no power at the fuse because the light switch is providing us the ground. So there we go. 18, take it off. We're getting like millivoltage, but so back into here, lights off again, no battery voltage, so we're good. So this is the wire we're gonna tap right here, this red white, for our power to our fog lights. So this way, for example, should not get, when I turn the high beams on, should not get any voltage to this fuse. So let's see, so lights on, now high beams, perfect, it goes down. So we'll switch that back around so you can see up here. So high beams are on, now they're off. So we should get the same thing at this connector here, whoop, right here. So 11.28 volts with the low beams on, now high beams on. Yep, we're down to exactly down to no voltage. All right, so this is the wire we're going to tap, this red white, for the fog lights. All right, the moment of truth. Got power hooked up. Let's go ahead and get the lights turned. Put the key to the on position. Right, we don't need to crank it. And now we're going to just turn the lights on. Oh, we got power here. That should be on. There we go. Low beams. Now let's turn the high beam on. High beam. Light switch turned off. that means there's, there we go. So it is 50 state legal. Now that everything is working, I'm going to go ahead and button everything up. Be good to go.